Hey everyone, guess what? We're on our very first group cruise we put together. It's called Let's Get Lost, and we're
in
on
Bermuda.
In Bermuda, on Mariner of the Seas.
And our group cruise is about to start.
Here we go.
Yes! And we've made it to the port where we just drop off our luggages and now we're ready to go on board. Oh my god, look the first face we see.
Oh my God, the first people.
Look the second face we see. We are getting ready to go on board of Mariner of the Seas for our first group cruise. Let's get lost in Bermuda. Woo. Oh, look the Disney Wish. I want to go on a wish again. A little bit of a line here at the port, but it's moving pretty quick. And soon we're going to be on board. Before going on board, we have the picture time here. Let's do it. Security and check-in was pretty quick, even though a lot of people. About 20-25 minutes, we're ready to go on board. Hey. We don't have much time to spare right now because we have to prepare all the gift sets and stuff that I carried in this luggage for everybody. And so we're going straight to the Mustard station now. Heading to the muster station on the other side of the ship. Muster drill done, and now we're heading to our room on deck 8. Oh my god, the elevators are big. Haven't seen that in a while because all the newer ships have like tiny elevators. This is our room 8618. Oh, look how nice this frame here, right next to the door. It's a good thing to mark where our room is. It's a balcony. We got a lot of water and pretty comfy bed. TV, you can tip all the way. A lot of space. Here's the safe on top of the TV. There's the mirror open as well, so there's space on the mirror. And on the other side, refrigerator over here. Lots of drawers. Next to the bed, telephone. There's no plugs in the telephone. Let me check on the other side. These other ships never have any plugs next to the bed, so the only charging station for your devices will be here. No USB. On this side we have a European outlet. Lots of space in the closet. Thermostat, and this is the bathroom. Pretty cute, smells clean. Shower head. There is only one product here, which is body wash and shampoo. So I always bring an extra conditioner in this case. I also got this small couch. And now let's check the balcony. Is it up or down? Oh, it's just heavy, but it's up. Pretty big table between the chairs. And here's Port Canaveral. Let's Get Lost Group Cruise in Bermuda is about to start. All right, everybody, we are ready to go meet everybody from the group at the Barnacle and Barrel. So excited to start. Yeah, literally everybody here. Tanja, Dwayne, Tim, and Mima, and Sue. Larry, say hey to the camera. Susie and James, and Antonia, and Danny, and John, and Kim. So we handed all the gift bags. Everybody's going upstairs now to deck 12 to the Sky Lounge for the sailaway party. We literally fit like 10 people in here.
I'll take one of those.
Finally.
Star Lounge deck number 5. We also have finished that lyric visual trivia at the Star Lounge.
Perhaps we should get our group photo here in front of the sign. It's so nice. Here we are, Sky Lounge.
You are officially on vacation. Make some noise! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start this party with some light dance. We'd like to see everybody on the dance floor with us. DJ, let's rock this place. And remember,
Hey, we're moving. Take a picture here on the sign.
We are moving.
Moving. This is this lady wearing a Guberta purse.
Yes, Herbert, isn't it cute?
Susie rock. Yes. Even without music, she's still dancing. Dinner tonight, we're gonna meet some friends here at Windjammer. And washy. Dessert time with hot chocolate. Oh wow. So after dinner, I always come here on the first day to grab our ship model, the Royal Shops. And I got some cute magnets here as well, which I'm gonna go with this one. I love this t-shirt as well. It is 25. And I guess that's it. Day 1 of Mariner of the season. We have the Welcome Aboard show right now at the Royal Theatre. These seats are tiny.
welcome to the stage your host, your cruise director, Dan.
For the Mariner of the Seas Orchestra. Come on, let me hear you. Yes. Remember, whenever you go to any of the shows, the more fun you have out there in the form of applause, even if it's like that, the better show you get to see. Are you with me?
Yeah.
All right, please put your hands together. Make some noise. Welcome to the stage, Grand
Are we doing good? Yeah. Everyone all moved in? Yeah, you get your neighborhood all laid out, your hallway, get your neighbors with the signs on the door, somebody's anniversary last year, birthday tomorrow. You guys love to decorate, it's the funniest thing. I'm walking into the show and there was a woman with the door open and she was painting the walls. Thank you for laughing, appreciate that. Yeah. If you don't laugh, they don't pay me, so everybody please laugh. They end up paying me in those paintings you guys don't buy, so. This is already real good. There's 9 kids up front that are not gonna get one joke. How you guys doing? Good. I don't like kids. And yeah, I don't care if you don't like me either. I'm fine. I am rude. Yes, you can leave. I don't like you either. All right, so we're gonna have a little bit of a battle. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. I don't like them. Who else brought kids? Yeah. I just want to know where to focus my hate. There you go. Hold on. Let me do it. Nobody likes you. You saw today, you were up in the pool deck. All you do is they run everywhere. All you do is run. The ice cream is going to be there. You don't have to run. Look at them yell right now. This is going to the journal. This is it. I give them one shot on the pool deck. If they run, I go, hey, it's very slippery. You're going to fall. After that, I root for them to fall. I am not going to lie. I steal butter from the windjammer and butter up the deck. This way, Scotchman. Look at the war I already started. Look, she's looking for reinforcements. I don't care. You cannot affect my career. Come in late. Awesome. Come in late and show up front. Thanks for coming. Be oblivious. I don't care. This is going to happen tonight. This is where we're going down. This is it. This is the show. This is the mental breakdown. Take out your phone. If they said don't film, you probably won't film this. High school friends. We used to prank each other growing up. And now we're getting older, we still see each other. And little pranks have grown into bigger pranks. So we're trying to outdo each other every time. And maybe we've gone over the line a little bit. The last one, we may have gone over a little overboard. My friend was going in for knee surgery. He's also 40. And a lot of wear and tear. He played a lot of sports. He has a 4-year-old son. We thought it would be funny to hire an actor in his late 20s to be the first person he sees when he comes out of anesthesia. So he woke up and the actor goes, Dad? You're awake. It's been so long. Maybe you didn't like that. Left side didn't get it. I don't know. We do a good mix of group. Let's take a little attendance here. Anybody 50 plus, clap your hands. Let's go to that. Yeah. Thank you. 60 plus are you in here? 70 plus, clap your hands. You can clap, that's fine. You don't like to clap because that usually turns stuff on and off in your house. All the lights flashing in here. I like the old people, you guys are good. And thank God, thank you for coming out late. You know, late show, 9:15. We got you out.
That's absolutely right.
Checking the clock. Yeah, by the way, you young people, you see old people out after midnight on the ship, just stay away from them. That's all I can tell you. You see them getting pizza after midnight, they are not supposed to be out at that time. And it's like seeing a raccoon out during the daytime. Look at it. Look how cute. Yeah, it's probably going to bite you. Stay away from it.
It's out of the bed, baby, it's my birthday. One more year closer to death, could it be a worse day? That smile ain't nothing to you, you make it look so easy. I walked up in here looking for a can of beer, walked out with a case of wine. I like it when you smile, yeah. I like it when you look me up and down and say, boy, have you got the time. I like it when you smile, smile for me now. And just a little thing like that could put a spring up in my stride.
Come on, say hey!
Yeah, I do. I like it when you look me up and down and say, boy, have you got the time? I like it when you smile. Oh, I like it. I like it when you knock your coffee, baby, baby, what I like. Can I get your attention? The way you got mine. Can I get your attention? Don't you know what we like? I like it when you smile. I do. I like it when you look me up and down and say, boy, have you got the time? I like it when you smile. Smile for me now. I do. It's just a little thing like that can put a spring up in my stride. I like it when you smile. I do. I like it when I'm playing cool and then you burn me like a blazing fire. So I do. I like it when you knock your coffee, baby. I like it when you smile. I do. Oh, I like it. Smile. I do. Oh, yes, I do now. Oh, when you smile.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the singing.
Kick out, kick out, kick. Come on, come on. The bishop.
Go blue, it's Tommy's favorite song. On the left side. Yeah, there you go.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Finishing day one on the Mariner of the Seas with some friends having some pizza. It's Cafe Promenade, which is Sorrento still, but like, yeah. Name is gone, but the pizza's still here. Good night. Oh, and don't forget to leave your like, leave your comment, share, subscribe if you haven't, and till tomorrow, another vlog, another new day, day 2 on Mariner of the Seas.